Business Expo and Sunrise Beach at Lake Christian Academy. My good man Jerry Phillips with Movement Mortgage. And Jerry, your guys' world in the mortgage company, you guys are busy.
It is very, very busy. You know, with the low inventory and and people just coming out of the woodwork with sometimes cash, much to my dismay. But there's a lot of good folks who are looking to make Lake of the Ozarks one thing their primary home in many cases. But the second home market is just absolutely taken off. You know, we need more homes to be listed. Right.
Talk to us about the current interest rates and why it's such a great time to maybe look at whether it's refinancing or whether buying a second home or a new home. Talk about what's going on with the market right now.
Well, the thing about it is the interest rates have been kept down, artificially low by the Fed. Thank you. But we're below 3% on 30-year fix. 15 is at 2.5 or below. It's really a fantastic position to be in, and a lot of that has to do with the fact that the pandemic. That's why the Fed stepped in and said, we're going to keep these rates low. Inflation is not a problem for them, and that's usually the key trigger for higher rates. And so that's what we're enjoying right now, and so it's time to get a part of it. No telling what's going to happen. 2020 is crazy enough, but November 3rd is really going to be crazy.
No doubt. And Jerry, for so many people out there, they may be ignorant to the fact that what goes into purchasing a home. So if you're out there and you want to know, well, why do I need a mortgage company? What exactly do you guys do, and why is it so crucial that before somebody buys a home, they reach out to you?
Well, it's being pre-approved really strengthens your offers, number one. Even though if you know that maybe you have 800 credit scores, you got 20+% down, it still says it speaks volume whenever you can present that pre-approval letter, because number one, the seller knows you're serious. Number one. Number two, it just adds to that offer and gives credibility to it, because these people don't know how strong that buyer is. They don't know. But when you have a pre-approval letter in place, that sends a big signal to the seller, and we can help people make the determination as to how to structure it, whether it needs to be, what type of term it needs to be on. We have options to do bridge loans and different things that can help a lot of people bring something together that they may not have thought about.
And absolutely, Jerry, you're right. So many good points. This guy's the expert when it comes to mortgage. Now, if you're out there and you're like, hey, I got to call Jerry Phillips with Movement Mortgage, how do we get in touch with you, my friend?
Hey, you can visit me. I've got a really interesting website, OzarksJerryPhillips.com. Very easy to find. Ozarks, the Netflix series. Yeah. OzarksJerryPhillips.com. Or you can just give me a shout at 480-1978. That's 573-480-1978.
That is our man Jerry Phillips with Movement Mortgage here at the Lake West Chamber Business Expo and Sunrise Beach. Give this guy a call, and you'll be enjoying your new lake home before you know it.